Create all your family favorites with Frigidaire's most advanced convection system, Total Convection. With Total Convection, you get lots of easy-to-use cooking modes, so you can whip up quick and yummy breakfast favorites with no preheat, crispy and healthier wings on game day using air fry, or a savory dinner with the slow cook setting. Total Convection has got you covered, no matter what your family is craving. And what makes our Total Convection system so great? It all starts with our versatile dual-speed motor and powerful 3,800-watt heating element that allow you to cook as high as 450 degrees or as low as 100 degrees. Plus, our newly redesigned 11-blade convection fan with convection cover reduces fan noise and optimizes airflow for better heat distribution. The Total Convection system helps you achieve it all. Save time with no preheat, plus air fry, slow cook, steam bake, steam roast, convection bake, and more. Total Convection. One oven, so many ways to cook.